Number of 29. Okay. Have you got your portion? Have you got your syllabus?
They said they will send it this week.
Okay. Was this chapter done in your school?
Huh?
Was this chapter, that is lines and angles, done in your school?
Yes.
It was done? Okay. So some of the basic things we have learned in the chapter, like we have learned about point. So point is basically a precise location and it does not have any dimension. Right now, like this is a point. So what does point tell you about? So point tells you about location. Right now, it tells you about location. Just like for example, on a
Sir,
map. Yeah.
I can't seem to open my camera. It's showing some error.
Okay, no worries. Continue in this manner then.
I'll try to
Okay.
fix it
Do it after
after
the
the
class then.
class.
Haha. Habib and Sumaya,
Okay.
you guys turn your cameras on. Like for example, on a map, you guys must have used Google Maps, right? So on a map, we see this pointer like this now, the symbol, right?
Yes, sir.
When you tap over it, so the location of the given place opens now. Getting it? So in a similar manner, this point basically tells you about the location, but it does not have length, width, or height. Okay, it's basically represented by a small dot and can be named as point A, point B, or point C, like that. Then we have learned about line segment. Right now, a line segment has two distinct end points. Right now, it has two end points. Like for example, this is line segment, and this is how we write line segment. Okay. While talking about the ray, so ray starts at one specific point, but it has no end point. Like it extends indefinitely inward. Yes, what chapter is going on in the maths in school? The chapters decimals. Okay. So decimal has been started in your school, Laksh. Okay, thanks for letting me know about that. So most likely, I believe it will be there in the upcoming exam also. I think. Laksh,
Yes, sir.
today's 27th August now, right? Okay.
Yes.
These updates are very important for me. Make sure whenever anyone of you in the batch gets any kind of update, just let me about that in the class. So we have learned about the ray. It has a origin, but does it have any end?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So it
It
will
never
go
ends.
exactly. It goes on infinitely in a specific direction. You can compare it with the example of sunlight, right? Now,
Yes,
is
sir.
there any limit to where the light can reach? Light travels
No.
infinite
Uh,
direction in the universe, no?
yes.
Yes, sir.
So technically, light is a ray.
Yeah, light is a ray exactly. Particularly, we
Okay.
can take example of sunlight. So from the sun, it is originating, right now. From the sun, it originates, but
Yes.
it goes on indefinitely, infinitely. It would reaches the different planets, different satellites, different planets. Okay, na? Asteroids and etc. Which is the biggest planet in the solar system?
Jupiter.
Jupiter.
Jupiter. Very good. And Jupiter has the biggest satellites also, natural satellites.
Yes, it has very thin, but we cannot see it.
It has the biggest satellite known as Ganymede. Anyways, then talking
Yes.
about line. So line basically it extends on both the directions infinitely. Right now. Then further,
Yes,
if
sir.
two rays were to meet at one common point, if there are two rays and both
So
of
it will
them
be
are,
angle.
repeat again.
Sir, it will become an angle.
Exactly, it will become angle now when two rays will meet, meaning that they have a common end point. So it makes up an angle, right now, and that is an angle. We can name this angle also. This common end point, what do we call that?
Oh, oh, vertex.
Vertex.
Oh,
Vertex.
vertex. Yeah.
Okay, na? Then we can name these rays also. Let's say ray OP and ray OM. So what will be the name of the angle here?
MOP or POM.
Exactly. So that is angle. That is the symbol for denoting angle. Remember like this. Okay, na? So that is angle MOP, or as you say it, angle POM. Both is correct. Okay. Also here you can look at, like, these rays are also called as arms of the angle. Right now, what are the arms of this angle AOB? Name the arms. Sumaya, what are the arms of this angle AOB? It is visible. Now, should I zoom it? Habib, what about you? What are the name of the
Yes.
arms of the angle AOB? First of all, turn your camera on, Habib.
So there's a disturbance in my background, so I can't.
Okay.
Sir,
What
and
are the names of the arms of the angle? Tell me.
OB and OA.
Exactly.
OB and OA.
Huh? So there are two arms in this, and they are respectively arm OA and arm OB. And since they are rays, we are going to denote them like this now. The symbol of arrow. The symbol of arrow is written on top of it. Okay. Good. Further, we can compare the angles by the method of superimposition. Right now, with the method of superimposition, we can compare the angles. Okay. Like in this method, what we try to do now, we try to overlay one angle over another angle in order to compare their size. Let us suppose that I am going to draw two angles such that this is angle AOB and that is angle MON. MON. Now we need to know which angle is bigger and which angle is smaller. So what I can do here, can I just put this angle MON over the angle AOB, I mean
Yes.
to say,
Yes.
right now? How are we going to put it? We are going to put it in such a manner that their vertex should overlap, should be on top of one another, right now?
Yes.
Yeah.
So
So
the vertex
And
and
also
one of
the
the arms.
arms also should be, at least one of the arm should meet together. At least one of the arms should be over one another. Getting it now?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? Let's say we make ON fall over OB. Let's place arm ON over arm OB. Okay, na? So that is arm ON. Let me use the blue one. ON. And where the OM is lying, it is lying over here, let's say. Right? That
Yes.
is arm OM.
Yes.
Okay. The black one is representing angle AOB. Angle AOB, this one. And the blue one is representing angle
MON.
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 So now clearly after the superimposition, we can compare which one is bigger and which one is smaller. What do we find from this? Tell me. What's the conclusion?
AOB is bigger than AMON.
Indeed, it is now.
Yes.
Okay. Very good.
Yes,
So
sir.
this angle is bigger. Good. There's another method also, by using a transparent circle, or also we can compare them. Okay, now, like you can use a tracing paper. You know tracing paper now, right? So with the help of that also, you can basically draw this angle over a tracing paper, and this one can also be drawn over tracing paper. Or you just have to draw one of the angle of the tracing paper. Suppose I have taken a tracing paper. Okay, I'll be placing over the angle MON, and now I'm going to bring it over this. Try to visualize it. As I will bring this tracing paper over angle AOB, so I will find that it is not completely overlapping. It falls short. Okay. So this alternate method also. Then there are different types of angles. An angle that is measuring 90-degree, like you have seen the corner of the paper, corner of the tables, corner of the walls, right? No, corner of the floor, etc. So that
Yes.
makes a right angle. An angle having a measurement of 180, that is a straight angle. Less than 90, right? Now, for example, if you have barely opened the book, for example, if you have opened the pages of the book in this manner, you have barely opened it like this. So that is forming a acute angle, no?
Acute
Right?
angle. Yeah.
If it is
Yes,
like
sir.
this, if it is like this, so it is 90-degree.
Right. Right angle.
That is right angle. But it is slightly open, so thereby it is acute angle. Now, if I were to open it like this, what can you say about it now? I am visible now, by the way.
Obtuse angle.
That is obtuse angle, right? And now, if it is completely open like this,
It is straight angle.
straight angle. Very good. Like that, we have learned. Okay. We had learned about complete angle also now. What is the measure of complete angle?
360 degree.
360 degree.
Oh, complete angle. Oh,
Yeah, 360 degree. And reflex angle, what about it?
More than 180 but
more
less
than
than
180.
360.
Exact. More than 180 degree, but less than 360 degree. Right now?
Yes.
So we can have several examples of it, like 190, 200, 201, 202, and any number that falls between 180 to 360. Okay, na? So it means it's more than 180, but less than 360, but less than 360. Getting it now, like that. Okay. Then how do we measure the angle? We measure it in the unit that is degree. Okay, na? Also,
Yeah.
a full circle has 360 degree at its center, right now. Now we can split it into 4 different parts now, like this. So if this complete angle is being split into 4 equal halves, so each of the angle will be measuring how much?
90. 90 degrees.
90. Each angle will measure 90. Okay. That is 90, 90, 90, 90, and 90. So 4 times 90s are, it's back to 360 degree. Then we have tool called as protractor that is used for measuring the angles. This is the tool over here, like the protractor, the help of which we measure angles, and we can draw the angles also with the help of this now. Okay. Okay. Further, we learned about the concept of angle bisector. Okay. So angle bisector is simply a line or a ray that divides an angle into 2 equal parts. Like this is a ray that is going to divide the angle BOA or angle AOB into 2 equal halves, such that angle AOB will now be equal to sum of angle COB plus angle COA. Or for convenience, you can write it in the manner like it will sound better while reading. That is angle BOC plus angle AOC. Getting it? Meaning that the sum of this angle and this angle together will be equal to the entire angle, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
For example, if this angle AOB is, let's say, 60 degree, so thereby each angle, that is angle BOC and angle AOC, each of them will be equal to 30 and 30. Got it? Okay. Then we may also write down that angle, like half of angle AOB. Getting it? What does it mean? Half angle AOB will be equal to angle BOC. Can we write it like this?
Yes, sir.
And we may also write that half of angle AOB will be equal to angle AOC also. Right now?
Yes, sir.
It's the same thing, but we have written it mathematically. Okay.
Yeah.
Then there are some common mistakes that students usually do while taking the measurement or drawing the angle using a protractor. So if you are incorrectly placing the center on the vertex, for example, this is the center now of the
Yes.
protractor, and these needs to be placed properly over the vertex of the vertex. If it is not, you won't be able to measure the angle properly. There will be error in your reading. Okay. At least one of the arm, like the base arm, should be aligning with the 0 degree line. See, that is the 0 degree line now. What do we call this? 0 degree line.
0 degree line.
Okay, na? So one of the arm should collide with it. Now, what do I mean to say that? It should be like this. Okay.
Okay.
So this arm here, it must collide with the 0 degree line. Okay.
Okay.
Not the other one. Like this one should be colliding with it. Colliding means should be just above it. Okay.
Okay.
Then we have to use the correct scale based on the protractor's alignment. Like you are measuring this angle, like this is the angle given to you. Okay. So how are you going to align the protractor? Are you going to align the protractor in this manner, or are you going to align the protractor in this manner? In the first manner or in the second manner?
First one. First one.
In the first one, no? Right?
Yes.
So the alignment of the protractor should also be proper. Okay. Also, you have to see from which side you're measuring the angle, like which angle is being measured. Like this angle is being measured now. So where is it falling? On the right side of the
Towards the right
protractor,
side.
no? Exactly. So when you read from the right side, you start from 0 degree, right now? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, then 100, 110, and so on, and then
100.
till 180. Getting it?
Yes,
In
sir.
this manner, you measure it. Okay. One example has been given here, like how to draw a given angle. For example, if you have to draw 40-degree angle, so you'll be using a protractor to measure and mark the angle. Okay. Like first of all, you have to draw this line. All right. Then you have chosen the
Okay.
vertex. Point A, here is your vertex. Okay. So from point A, you are going to look at where is the mark 40 on the protractor. Like look in this one. This is where the mark 40 is now. Right?
Yes.
So from that point A, we are going to extend a line towards it. Also, first, what you can do now, like while the protractor is still kept over it, you cannot trace the line above the protractor. So you can just place one dot over here. Getting it, guys? You will
Okay.
place
Yes,
a
sir.
dot over here. Now you will remove the protractor. Okay, now then this dot and this dot, you will be
Yes.
connecting it with a line. In this manner, it has to be done. And there you go. That is your 40-degree angle. Many times, the students, what they do now, they do not make this curve. I have seen in the answer sheets that many times you guys will be simply leaving it like this. Sometimes students don't even use a scale, a proper scale. They'll be using a pen. It is advised to use scale. Okay, if a scale should also be proper, it should not be broken scale. Okay, the edges should be clean.
Okay.
Pencil should be sharp. Once you have done it, you have to make a curve, and you should name this angle also. Okay, na? And you should draw the arms also like this. Okay, so you can name it anything, like say
Okay.
angle POR.
Wise. Okay.
Any you can give it any name like that. Okay, and then
Okay.
you can write down angle POR is equal to 40 degree. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Okay, so this will leave no room for any doubts. Also, the same thing moments ago we have learned. Just take a look at how does a reflex angle look like. Okay, that's a reflex angle. Now, if the two arms were no, like these two arms are basically going away from each other. Like if in this one particular look here, like the arms are moving away from one another, right? They are rotating.
Yes.
So if the arms were to do a full rotation, no, full rotation, right? Suppose this arm is moving, and when it does a full rotation, so it will eventually come back to the same position from where it is started now. Try to understand this. So when it does a full rotation, so it will be doing 360 degree. It will make a 360 degree angle. Getting it now? So sometimes question may be asked in the following manner also, that if the arms of the angle does a full rotation, then which angle is formed? So that is
360.
360 degree. Okay. Good. Now it's time to do some questions. Okay. Yeah. Since we have done this chapter, so it is expected that you guys will try to solve it yourself, and I'm here only to help you and give you some hint. And if there's some question which you guys find difficult to do, then I'll be helping. Okay. Also, there's one more fundamental concept which I will quickly complete. quickly revise and then we are going to move further. Okay, suppose we're talking about a clock. Okay, so this is the center of the clock, right? And around the center, like it's a circle, so around the center of circle 360-degree angle is formed now, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's divide this into 4 equal parts. Okay, let's divide this into 4 equal parts. Okay, so there will be how many angles over here? 90-degree here, 90
90
here,
degrees.
90 here, and 90 here. Clear to
Yes,
everyone
sir.
now? 90 here,
Yes.
here,
Yes.
and here. Good. In a clock, this is the marking here is 12. It's 3, 6, and
3,
then 9.
6, and 9.
Okay. Now further, some more marking are there 1 and 2. Okay, now let's say that I am joining these points from the center. Okay. So now you tell me this much part only. I'm talking about only this much part. Let me shade it actually.
30
Uh-huh.
Yes, sir. 30 degrees.
Exactly. So each part is being divided equally, and each part is now going to be equal to 30 degree now. Yes or no? Tell me. So
Yes,
between,
sir.
can we say between 1 and between 12 and 1, 30 degree of angle is formed? Yeah. Between 1 and
Yes.
2 also 30 degree angle is formed, and between 2 and 3 o'clock also 30 degree angle is formed. Is that clear to everyone here?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Good. Also, when the hour hand of the clock will be moving from 12 to 1, so it will be covering 1 hour, no? Right?
Yes, sir.
Here also, when it will be moving from 1 to 2, it will be covering 1 hour. So can we say that
Yes.
hour hand of the clock in a span of 1 hour covers 30 degree angle,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
right? So in 12 hours, how many angles it would have covered?
3.
3.
No. Oh, yeah, 3.
1 hour 30 degrees. So 12 hours, how many angles would have been made? If this arm, suppose the arm of the arm on the clock have started to move from 12 o'clock. All right. It did a full rotation and came back to 12 o'clock only. It did a full
360.
rotation and came back. 360 exactly.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Also by calculation, you will get it 12 into 30 degree. Hence that is 360 degree now.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Good. That is the thing. Now there's some further classification also which we can make here. Okay, now like we can break it up. We can talk about the minute also, like every 5 minutes, how much of angle is covered. Hmm? Okay. So now you guys know that 1 hour means how many minutes?
1 hour means 60 minutes.
60 minutes.
16 minutes, right? Then further, you know that in 1 hour, we are seeing that in 1 hour, 30 degree angle is covered, right? Or we can say that in 60 minute, I mean to say 60 minutes, 30 degrees 30 degree of angle is covered, right?
Yes.
So what can we say about 5 minutes, let's say, or 1 minute, if you were to talk about like in 1 minute, how many angles is made in 1 minute? So that will be
Uh,
30 degree upon 60 or not,
yes.
right? Okay,
Yes.
but
Yes.
1 minute is a very small classification, very small margin here. So we will take 5 minutes. Okay, now. So in
Okay.
5 minutes, it's going to be 30 upon 60 multiplied by 5. Can we cut these two zeros? 0, 0 cancel.
Yes.
Okay. Then 3 twos are 6. 5 divided by 2, and that is 2.5. If anyone is finding this difficult, let me do it simple way. 30 upon 60 multiplied by 5. Can I write it 5 upon 1?
Yes.
Now
Yes,
is it
sir.
150 upon 60? And after
Yes.
division, you're going to get the same value, that is 2.5. So it means
Hmm.
that every 5 minutes, 2.5 degree is covered. Every 5 minutes,
Yes,
how many angle is covered? 2.5 angle is covered. Okay, na? That is the thing. I believe so far it should have been clear to everyone. If there's any question,
yes,
please
sir.
let me know. I am saying because some of you are silent. Okay, so that is the thing. Now let's do some questions. Question number 1, where is it? Yeah. So measure the angle formed when the hour hand of a clock moves from 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Everyone will be putting their answers in the chat box. I don't know if you're
Oh.
able to put your messages there. I think you should be.
Yeah, we cannot.
Yes, we can.
Yes, sir. We can.
I'm dropping a message. Actually, my keyboard is not working. No, don't know what the issue is, but okay.
Sir, we can, but everyone cannot see. Only the co-host and the hosts can see.
Yeah. Only I and the host can see. Hmm. All if you do the first question quickly.
Sir, my chat says it's disabled.
It's disabled. Okay. No, some of them are able to answer it. I don't know. Like Habib just has shared his answer, and that is correct, Habib. By the way. Yeah, look, that is also correct.
Sir, I can't.
Uh-huh.
I'm trying to, but I can't.
You're also unable.
Wait. Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes. I can.
Oh, you can, no? Keep in mind that in every hour, a like clock forms an angle of 30 degree.
Sir, I'm a bit confused.
In the first one, okay,
Yes.
no worries. See, by the way, Samaya, what is your answer for the first question, Samaya?
The first question is, do I say?
Uh-huh.
Like, do I say? Sir, I sent it.
Yeah, that is correct, Nafis. So everyone who is answering 90 degree, their answers are correct. See, moments ago we have learned this important thing that in every hour clocks covers an angle of 30 degree, right? So in 1 hour it makes up 30 degree. So here the question is saying the hand of the clock, the hour hand of the clock is moving from where to where?
Oh,
From
I
3
understand,
to,
sir.
got it, from
It's
3 to
like,
6.
yeah,
So while it is going from 3 to 6, how many hours has it covered? 3 hours now.
3.
So
Yes.
hence 3 times 30 degree, and that is going to be 90 degree. Okay.
Okay, I've understood.
Good. Now you guys attempt do the second question.
Okay.
Question says array starts at point M and passes through point. What have you answer for this, Laksh? Answer number 4 you have given, and 5 let me check that. I think Sumaya, maybe you're answering. Sumaya, please do not answer on this ID. Answer on the other ID. It's working, by the. Sumaya, just say your answer then. Okay. If it's not working, then I don't have any option then. Yeah. You guys do the second question.
Sir,
Okay,
I will
sir.
answer the fourth
And
and fifth. So,
okay. Do the third question as well, Laksh. Do you have a protractor with you? Construct
Yes,
the
sir.
angle. Okay.
Okay.
See, question number 2 is saying that a ray starts at point M. So first you will make point M. Okay, so ray is starting at point M. So it is the starting point of the ray. Then further it says that it passes through point N. So there's another point N through which it is passing. Okay. Through which it is. Question is saying what is the ray called using these points? Okay, okay, I'll be getting there. You are saying what is? What are you saying, Sumaya?
I said it is N.
M N
MP.
M and P. You're saying okay. See now, if another point P was on the right of point N, okay, na? There is another point P that is on the right of point N. Right of point N means where? On this side, no? On this side. Getting it, guys? So there's another point over here. P is to the left of N. No? So if another point P is on the left of the point N on the same line, so what is the ray called using these points? So ray you M and you are saying.
Yes.
Okay. Anyone else? One Laksh, you were saying it to be, I think you were saying them as intersecting lines. No, they aren't intersecting lines. Intersecting lines are the lines that meets each other at one point. That is how intersecting line looks like. Okay, Laksh. Oh, you have drawn it. Hold on. Yeah, very good. Name the angle also, and you can give it a name. Okay. Remove. Yeah. Yeah. So for the second question, what will be the name of this ray? Yes, Khaja, Habib, Sumaya, Nafis, and Laksh.
M.
And
Sir,
you're
I'm
saying,
still doing it.
or you're doing it.
It can be named MN or MP.
It can be named in different ways, Ammon as well as MP. Okay.
Also NP. NP.
MP. Okay, okay.
So the question 2 is a bit confusing. I
Mhm.
don't know what if another point P is on the right side of point N on the same line. I don't understand that.
It is basically saying that this point P that is on to the right of point N. So right of N is this side now. Getting it? This is
Yes.
right of N now. So this is where it is
Hmm.
lying, and it's lying in the same line.
Oh. Oh,
Getting it?
okay, okay.
Okay. But the catch here is that whenever we name a ray, so we take only 2 points to name it, no? Right?
Yes.
We take only 2 points to name the ray, not 3 or 4 points. So this is the origin point here is M, no? Right? And
Yes.
towards this arrow, which point is there? It's P.
Yes.
So as Sumaya was saying, okay, I was waiting for your answers. As Sumaya was saying, so it is ray MP and should be written as MP with ray with a arrow above it. Okay, no? So that is the
Hmm.
name for this. Okay, everyone. So
Okay.
that is ray MP or MP with arrow on its top. Everyone construct 40-degree angle using a protractor.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
For you, I'll do easy, sir. Okay. Yeah.
So for the fourth one, that is correct by the way, Laksh. Your answer for the fourth one, that's correct. And for fifth one, what have you written? Triangular is 3 times. Yeah, that's also correct. Good, good. Okay.
Sir,
No,
finish.
finished. Okay. Show it to me. Meanwhile, Laksh, you
Okay,
do
sir.
questions from this slide. Okay.
Oh, wait, I have to.
Okay. Actually, no, I was going to share the screenshot, but I don't know. Like since yesterday, the keys of my computer doesn't seem to be working. No, it's still not working. I'll be sharing this slide once again to you. Okay, Laksh. Others are not done yet. Yeah, Nafis, hold on. Show it again.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Good. That looks clean. Where's the arrow in it? Show the arrow also.
Oh, okay.
Good. Sumaya, you done with the third question? Habib,
Sir, I'm
Baja.
done, but like the camera doesn't work in this one.
Okay.
Sir, finish.
Finish.
Yes.
Habib, you also finished. Show it to me at least. Habib, you show it to me.
Yes?
You're done with the third question or not?
No.
Still not done with this. It's a simple question though.
No.
What we have to do,
Yeah.
that is the,
Yeah, I know.
you know, no? Okay. Okay, now you guys look at question number 4.
But
So May I
from the
will be
left
sharing
side or right side?
from the right side. Now we are going to do it. 40 degrees, so we'll be taking the measurement from this side. Okay.
Okay.
One line you will take from here. That is going to be the vertex. Let's name it as O. And then you will mark a point. After removing the protector, you will connect these two dots. And there you go. You will name it M, N, or anything. Okay. And make sure not to forget the curve. Now you guys do the fourth question. Laksh, can you take the screenshot of this one? I don't want you to keep waiting. Just take the screenshot since you are done with the first 5 questions. Like there will be PRT or there will be a key in your keyboard. PRT will be written over it. When you'll be clicking on it now, you'll be able to take a screenshot of it. And then you can copy it in Paint or in the Word. Done? Look, just write down the question then. Quickly write down the question. Meanwhile, the question number 4 for you guys was that when the hands of the clock are at 10
10
o'clock.
o'clock.
So what
Yeah.
which angle is made? That was the question.
Shouldn't it be a reflex?
The question was whether it be acute angle, okay,
It
acute
will
angle
be
or right angle or
will be
obtuse angle.
obtuse angle.
It won't be obtuse angle actually.
Reflex
Think
angle?
no.
Oh, okay.
See, when we are talking about 10 o'clock, that is 12. Okay, this is 9. Okay. Between 12 and 9, if the time is 9 o'clock, right? Say that if the time is 9 o'clock. So the hour hand is over here now, right? The minute hand is over here.
Yes.
So 90 degrees angle is made, right? That is 90 degree. Now it says that
Yes.
the time is 10 o'clock. So the hour hand is over 10 now, right?
Yes.
Getting it? So
Sir,
Yes,
I
sir.
cannot.
what is the angle form? What did you think?
Sir, I cannot understand question number 6.
Okay, I
Acute
will
angle.
get back to you in a minute. So that was the question number 4, guys. For those who are not done, identify the type of angle, whether it is going to be acute, right angle, obtuse, or straight angle that is formed by the hands of the clock at 10 o'clock. I'm drawing it here again. So that's 9, 10, 11, and that's 12. So the hands of the clock are, the hour hand is at 10 now, and the minute hand is over here. So how much of angle is formed here? That is what you have to answer. While answering this question, you guys keep it simple. Like if the hour hand is at 10 o'clock, minute hand is at 10, I mean to say 12, time is 10 o'clock here. Okay. Keeping this thing in mind that there's a gap of how many hours between 10 and 12 here? 2 hours now.
2 hours, sir.
So in 1 hour, how much of angle is made? 30 degree, no?
32.
So that's 2 hour, no? So 2 times 30, it is
Yes,
60.
sir.
So 60 is acute, right, or obtuse or straight? Yeah,
He is an acute angle.
it is an acute angle, no?
Sir, for
Okay.
the fifth one, I think so it's 270 degrees.
270
Yeah.
degree. It is
Yeah, me too, sir.
270. Very good. So it's saying 3 times the measure of right angle. So
Yes.
if you know right angles, it means 90 degree. So 3 times
90.
of it, and hence that is 270 degree.
Okay.
Okay, now everyone continue from here. Question number 6, no, Laksh, you were not able to understand this. It was saying that question number 6 says that two lines intersects and forms an angle of 150 degree. There are two lines. One line is like this, okay. Then another angle is let's say it's like this. I mean to say another line is like this. Okay, so it says that two lines intersect and forms an angle of 150 degree. What are the measures of all angles at the intersection? Means that at this point, if this angle is 150 degree, so what is the measurement of this
So
angle,
for
this angle, and this angle?
so four angles at
A point are formed here.
yes.
In order to do this question, while doing it, keep the fundamental principle in your mind. Like this is a straight line. Let's call this as PQ. Okay, straight line PQ. So on a straight line, a straight angle is formed, no? Right? This is the
Yes, sir.
origin. That is going to be 180 or not? So if this much is 150 degree, what will be the value of this angle?
30 degree.
30 degree. Look, pay attention here. Look over here.
So there are 150 degrees
Hmm.
and 230.
Indeed, it is. Very good, Nafis. Very good. So that is 150 degree. Hold on, that is 150 degree and that is 30 degree. Okay. Again, look at this straight line here. Let's name this. Let's name it as
Why,
XY.
sir?
Why is it you are saying? Okay, why is it no issue? Why is it? Okay. So the sum of this 30 degree and this angle, which we don't know yet, is again going to be 180 degree now. Because on a straight line, the sum of all the angles is equal to 180 degree. Let me be clear. On a straight line, sum of angles is equal to 180 degree. Okay, now. So here one of the angle is 30 degree. So another angle, this one, will it not be equal to 180 minus 30? And that's 150 now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is 150. So if this is 150, what about this one then? Again, you will talk about this straight line, na, PQ. If that's 150, this is going to be, yeah.
30.
Sir, can I go to the washroom?
Okay, but be back quickly. So that is 30. So haven't we found all the angles here? Right? 150, 30, 150 and 30. Okay. Tell me if there's anyone right here in the batch who is not getting this question. I'll be explaining it again then. Sumaya and Habib, you guys are pin drop
Sir, I
silent.
understood it.
Sumaya and Habib,
Sir, I understood.
understood?
Yes, me too.
Good. Now name these angles also. How do we name these angles? Let's call the center as O. Okay, now that is the
O.
O.
Vertex.
So, vertex, exactly. So this angle is angle POZ.
Yes.
Angle POZ. Okay. And angle POZ, isn't it same as angle QOY
Yes, sir.
right now? So both of them are having the same measurement, angle QOY. Okay. Name the remaining two angles.
QOZ.
QOZ equals to
What else is done?
and
POY.
POY, and that is 230 degree. Okay. Now, as we have written all the measurements, okay, you guys cross check it whether sum of all the angle is equal to 360 degree or not. If it is, then our working is correct. Okay, na? But if it is not, then we have done some error. Tell me if it is equal to 360.
Okay, 1 second.
Sir, it is 60 plus
Saying
30
it is.
plus 40.
Yes, sir. 150
Yes, sir,
plus
it is.
150 equals 300. 30
Mhm.
plus 30 equals 60, and 60 plus 300 is 360.
Very good. Okay, let's go to the seventh question now. So draw a line segment of 5
Sir, for
centimeter.
7th question, can I write it in the chat box?
The seventh question. Okay,
Yes.
you can write it. You have understood it, no, by the way.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So to others, first we have to draw a line segment. So we will name the line segment. Let's name it as AB. You guys do it actually. Okay, now do this question. Draw the line segment AB of 5 centimeter. Further, it says at its midpoint, draw a perpendicular line segment of 4 centimeter. Okay. So it'll be perpendicular. You guys understand now? Perpendicular means at 90 degree. That is just vertically above it. Okay. So this one has to be of length 4 centimeter. And you're going to draw it at the middle of AB, at the midpoint. What will be the midpoint of AB, guys?
Vertex. Oh,
No. What will be the measurement? Like how far is it going to be from A and B? Half of 5 means 2.5, no? Right?
yes.
So at 2.5, you're going to draw this perpendicular line, okay? And you will name
Okay.
this as O. So in step number 1, draw 5 centimeter long line segment. Everyone have to do it, and using a pencil you have to do it, okay? Step number 1. Step number 2, take the midpoint. Step number 3, you have to draw perpendicular. Okay. Step number 4, take measure of 4 centimeter and then mark it on the perpendicular line. Okay. An important thing is that you have to name the line segments also. Name the line segments too.
Okay.
And obviously you have to tell me what type of angle is formed between the two line segments. There's going to be two line segments here. This line segment here and this line segment here.
Like the ball is not.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Nafis, that is correct. We have to show the working also to me, okay? Na? You
Yes,
have
sir.
to do this
I'm
question.
doing right now.
Good.
So how do we send?
See, it's always better to just show it in the camera. Okay.
But my camera doesn't work.
Like, I find it very like, what exactly is the issue? Like, why isn't it working?
It shows an error.
Error. Okay.
Yeah.
Take help of someone and try to get it fixed after the class.
You know what? For you,
Okay.
I want
I'll
Oh.
check it since The class is about to end in 4 minutes. I'll check it.
After the class, you will do it. Okay. And I'm saying that because many times I need to see your solution live in the class. The only way how I can see it immediately is by you guys showing it in the camera, and then I will be able to look at it. Okay. The other way, it will take time if you to send to the counselor, and it will waste time. Take so much of time then.
Sir, I'm done.
Then show it to me. Let me zoom it first. Yeah. Oh, the arrows are too big. Anyways, good. You have taken the exact measurement of 5 centimeter, na? 5 and 4 centimeter, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Just
Try
one
not to
millimeter.
try not to draw the arrows too big. Keep it small. Okay. Here, Nafis, you show it to me.
Okay.
Good, Nafis. Okay, good. Do one thing, Nafis. Name the perpendicular line also.
Okay.
Okay, na? Write O at the vertex. Write write O at the vertex. Okay, and name the perpendicular line with any alphabet like M, Q, Z, anything.
Yes,
Sir,
No.
finished.
I could have spiked on it.
Okay, sure. Good. Habib, you also show it to me.
Yes.
You done?
Which one?
Which one? Habib, we have been doing
Like I
this.
was not here.
Question number 7. Like only 1 minute is left now.
That was a good solution. Good solution.
Okay. Make sure you do it after the class and send it to the counselor.
Sir,
Okay.
can you tell me the meaning of perpendicular?
Perpendicular is a line which is drawn at an angle of 90 degree to another line. Okay, na?
Okay.
That is basically what perpendicular means. Like for example,
Okay.
I have placed my hand like this. So this hand is at perpendicular. It is placed
And
perpendicular to another hand. Getting it?
Yes.
Like that. Okay, make sure you complete it. And others who haven't shown it to me, make sure
Okay.
you share it to the counselor. Okay. And if you don't, I'll be asking it about in the class and your parents will be informed. Okay. So that's it for today's class. If you guys happen to have any questions from today's class or any doubts, please let me know.
Okay.
Excuse me,
Okay.
sir. My mother wants to talk to you about something.
Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. How are you? Others can leave the class, by the way. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
Yeah.
love you, sir.
Nafis.
One thing I get to know that like this week, fraction and knowing our numbers test is there. Yes,
Yeah, fraction and knowing our numbers is there.
yes, but fraction I think still is not covered in the class.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
So
that
how they
chapter.
will how they will attend the test? That is the thing. Okay,